What's up guys, CodeWithYash here. If you're new to the channel, hello everyone, my name is Yash and I am a programmer. So in this video, we'll be learning about the inline as well as the block elements. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm in my VS Code now and I will create another file for our tut7.html. So now in our tut7.html, let us have a boilerplate. Yeah, and name it inline and block elements. So the topic for today is not any tag or function or any meta data, nothing that. It is something for our understanding. It is mainly used in CSS and this is also important. So let us come to this. So now if I write p tag, I have also told you that p tag is used for a paragraph. So let's say this a this is a paragraph. So paragraph. Okay. So now let us open my live server here, and so now you can see that it has here. Now we have it that it is a paragraph. You will say, "Yes, we are wasting time." I know, but see with me. If I copy this up and say this this is a also. Oops. This is also a paragraph. Then you can see this. Oops, what happened? Why does the second paragraph came in the next line? Why doesn't it jump here? Let us see. So let us move it here and see if it works now. So no, nothing. If we reload this, no, nothing happens. So this is the main topic of this video. So why does it is there? It is because the p tag, let me write here, p tag is a block element. Okay, so p tag is a block element. What do I mean by block? Block means like it takes the space. So it is not taking this space, it is taking the whole space. So the next element has to jump in the next line. So now what if I made this is span? I know I have not told you about the span, but span is also a tag for writing something. So you just type span and span as well. So now if you can see nothing happens. Why? I don't know. So to answer this question, let us do something that can be difficult for you at this time. So what you have to do is you have to just type style. I know it is not good to understand this, but see this. If I hit border and hit 2 pixels, I know it is very tricky for you at this time, but it is only for so that you can understand the reason why this happened. So this is part of a CSS and we will learn this soon, but just ignore it. So now you can see that in the first paragraph, now we have span. So span is an inline element. If you can see that it has taken only its space. Okay, it has taken only its space, and but if we talk about our paragraph tag, it has taken the whole space that it has. So now if you can see, I minimize it, so it takes that much space. If I actually it takes that much, so it takes the whole line, and the next has to come up or down. So you can ask like, let us move this line uh, here by using alt arrow. So now you will say like, why does this come here? So the thing is that it has taken the whole line and the next element has to come here. So if I copy this up. You can see that there is a paragraph, this is a paragraph. So you can see that if there are two spans or two inline elements, that then they will come in a same line. But a block element will take its whole place and the other I have to push. Okay. So now let us understand more. We have also learned. I think I should not do something with this. Let's create another. We have also learned about strong tag for bolding. So if I write this is strong and paste this over here, you can see, yeah, strong is also a inline element verified. So if I write the a tag as well, a tag I said that it is for href, but you can skip the href as well. This oops is a anchor tag. Okay, so let us see. Yeah, it is also a, so you can see that if you hover on this, you can see here the link is nothing. So it's just the same of our link. Okay, so the strong, the span, and the a tag are a inline elements, whereas the p is a block element. Okay, so I think this was the main topic today, what were inline and block elements. So I will move this here and I'm making notes for you. Do access that, I will put the link in the description so that you don't feel any of difficulties. So I think you have understood this thing. It is so easy. I know this is a strong video, but this was also important, guys. When you will go in CSS, this will be most important, and you will surely need this. So if you have not accessed my web development playlist, then do access that. I will be uploading everything here only here. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.